The standards that we're working on today are your ability to define basic Excel terminology. By the end of the period, you should be able to define key terms in Excel. Today we're having a basic lesson in Excel, just the terms that will help us get around so that we know what we're doing in our day-to-day classes. This is your Excel window. This is the window for 2007. In this window, you have different things that you need to be aware of. Up here at the top of your window, you have your different buttons that will allow you to open, close, minimize, maximize, and close a window. You have the file name for the file that you're working in, as well as the program in which you're working. Also in this window, you have your quick access toolbar. And the quick access toolbar gives you the buttons like save, undo, redo, print preview, and print, things that you're going to want for later whenever you're working within Excel. You also have your tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, and Developer. On each tab, it controls a ribbon. It brings up a ribbon, and the ribbon is the thing that all the buttons come on. Your groups on each ribbon, your buttons are organized into groups as to what they do. And some groups have this button right here, which allows you to click on to bring up a dialog box. This is your name box. That's what allows you to name or read the name of your cells. You can also name a range of cells. Rows go across, columns go up and down, and this is your formula bar. Rows are cells that go across in the Excel spreadsheet. Just like in Word and tables in Word, rows go across. Columns, just like in tables in Word, go up and down vertically in an Excel worksheet. So let's check and see how well you've been paying attention, either on your starter for today or on a scrap piece of paper. Answer this question. What is this, the thing that goes across in a spreadsheet? Is it A, cell, B, column, C, row, or D, header? If you wrote down C for row, you would be correct. What is this that goes up and down in a spreadsheet? Is it an A, cell, B, column, C, row, or D, header? If you wrote down B for column, you'd be correct. Another thing to note about columns and rows is if you look, your columns have a header up here. This is your header. And your columns are always designated by letters. Rows, their header goes up and down and is always to the left of the row, and they're designated by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that kind of thing. Cells are the intersection of a column and a row. Cells have addresses or references that label them. These references always start with the column letter and end with a row number. For instance, this is A1, this is B2, this is C1, see it's C column, 1 row, C1. This, if you said D5 is correct. This one is. If you said B8, you are a star student. This is. I do believe I heard you say F14. That would be correct. Now, what is this that is the intersection of column and row? Is it A, cell, B, column, C, row, or D, header? If you said it was an A, cell, you would be correct. Now I want you to go ahead and label your paper 4A through 4D, and then tell me what these cell references are. This is 4A. This is 4B. This is 4C. And this is set 4D. Let's go back and take a look at each one of these. 4A is H14. 4B is F8. 4C is C15. And 4D is J4. When you need to enter data into an Excel spreadsheet into a particular cell, there are two ways to do it. One way is to enter things in the formula bar. The nice thing about the formula bar is it allows you to see the whole entire formula if you need to make any edits in your cell spreadsheet. What is this? What allows you to enter or edit data in a worksheet? A, cell. B, cell reference. C, formula bar. Or D, column. If you said B, cell reference, or sorry, if you said C, formula bar, you would be correct. Thank you and have a nice day.